Assalamualaikum, my name is Anib Ahmad and I am the representative for my group, which consists of 4 members. My name is Hanif Ahmad, the others is Faisal Iskandar, Fahmi Smizi, and Irfan Hakimi. So within this video, for a few minutes, we are going to explain about the pneumatic for a single and double cylinder valve using simulation by using FESTO FluidSim Pneumatics software. Okay, let's go.
Pneumatic actuators are devices that convert compressed air energy into mechanical motion. They are widely used in manufacturing, robotics, and automation to move or control mechanisms such as pressing, clamping, lifting, or positioning components. In FluidSim, we can simulate how air pressure and control valves work together to move a piston in a cylinder.
Okay, now let's start with the single acting cylinder. In this type of actuator, compressed air acts on only one side of the piston, while a spring on the other side returns the piston to its original position when the air pressure is released.
Okay, now I will explain about the single acting actuator. So, this is a single acting actuator, single cylinder. Then, when I put the air compressor here and connect the single actuating cylinder, when I start it, uh, as you can see, there is a spring in the middle of the piston. When I start this, the air will push the spring and let this piston goes to the right way, goes to the right. And then when we stop, the piston will go back uh, to its default position. Okay, now for the next part, we're gonna put button, the three-way button. As you can see, this is a compressor. This is the button, and we're gonna connect the air compressor to this, and this button to the piston. And for this, we're gonna choose the terminator is this one. Okay, so when I push the start button, the air will be compressed dan masuk ke dalam button, but it's still not going to the piston because we not push the button yet. Then if I push the button, the same thing happen like before. The pistons will be pushed to the right. And what happen if we push the button again? Then the spring will make the piston go to its default position. Next part, we're gonna add one way flow. Uh, and connect it to the piston. and this connect to the button. Okay, so then if we check this, uh, we're gonna set it to 100. Okay, when I start, same like before we push the button, there's nothing happen, and then uh, the piston when it's 100 opening level, the piston will immediately turning to the right. Then what if we change the value to about 50? Okay, then there seems to be a delay when it goes back. When we push the button, it goes immediately to the right, the piston. But when we push again, there seems to be a delay in the piston. So, for making our statement stronger, we're gonna make it to 10 opening level, 10%. Then we're gonna push the start button again. As you can see, the piston also has a delay when we push the button, then push again. It's immediately becoming more slower. So the function of the one flow control valve is to control the airflow between the piston and the button.
Single acting cylinders are simple, cost effective, and great for tasks that only require motion in one direction, such as clamping, stamping, or ejecting objects.
Now let's look at the double acting cylinder. Here, air pressure is applied alternately to both sides of the piston. Kau dah start belum? Kau tak start lagi, Sal? Yes. Okay. One to extend and the other to retract it. This means it can perform work in both directions.
Okay, hi. My name is Muhammad Faisal Iskandar. Okay, in FluidSim, we control the double acting cylinder using a two-way valve. So, air is supplied to one side to extend the piston. When the valve switch, air flows to the opposite side, retract the piston. Both motions are powered by compressed air, no spring needed. You can see in the simulation that we toggle the valve, the pistons move back and forth smoothly. This type of cylinder is stronger and more reliable for continuous or heavy duty operation like robot arms, conveyors or machine press.
In FluidSim, we control the double acting cylinder using a 5 two-way valve. Air is supplied to one side to extend piston. When the valve switches, air flows to the opposite side, retracting the piston. Both motions are powered by compressed air, no spring needed. In industrial automation, the choice between them depends on the application requirement, whether movement is needed in one or both directions, and how much force or control is required.
By using FESTO, FluidSim, we learn how to design and simulate pneumatic circuits digitally before implementing them in real life. And we also learned the importance of choosing the right valve and actuator type to optimize system efficiency and performance.
In conclusion, both single-acting and double-acting cylinders are essential in automation, each serving specific roles. Using FluidSim gave us hands-on insight into how the system function and interact.